Are you guilty of binge-watching YouTube or Netflix for hours? We've all been there, eyes glued to the screen while the clock ticks away. But what if those hours weren't just wasted time? What if you could turn every video you watch into cold, hard cash deposited directly into your PayPal account? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I've discovered 5 massive platforms that pay you to watch movie trailers, news clips, and viral videos. This isn't about points or gift cards that you'll never use. We're talking about real money. Before we dive into the how, do me a huge favor. If you want to take control of your financial future and learn the secrets of the digital economy, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a chance to build your bankroll. By the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how this simple watching habit can become your very first profitable business and how to scale it into multiple streams of income. Let's get to work. Many people struggle to start a business because they think they need $10,000 in capital or a degree in marketing. That is a myth. Your first business should be about one thing: cash flow. By using these 5 platforms, you are essentially starting a microservice business where your product is your attention. It requires 0 skills, 0 experience, and 0 investment. It's the perfect foundation to prove to yourself that you can make money online. Once you see that first dollar hit your account, the side hustle mindset shifts into a business owner mindset. First up is Earnably. This is a powerhouse in the world of rewards. What makes Earnably special is its simplicity. You sign up for free, head over to the video section, and you'll find providers like Hideout TV. Here's the secret: you can choose the topics you're actually interested in, whether it's food, tech, or entertainment. You aren't just watching random ads, you're watching content you might have watched anyway. Earnably tracks your viewing time and rewards you with points that convert directly to PayPal cash. It's consistent, reliable, and the perfect place to start your journey. Next is superpay.me. This site is for the action takers. Why? Because they offer an instant 0-20 sign-up bonus just for joining. While that sounds small, it's proof of their legitimacy. If you look at their payment proof section, you'll see thousands of people getting paid every single hour via PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. To make money here, go to the offer walls, find the engage videos section, and let the videos run. The best part? Superpay.me has a very low payout threshold, meaning you can see your profits in your bank account faster than almost any other site. Number 3 is a titan in the industry: Inbox Dollars. They have been around for years and have paid out over $80 million to their members. When you sign up, they give you a $5 bonus immediately. Brands want to know what consumers are watching, so they pay Inbox Dollars to show you short snippets, movie trailers, and news. You get a cut of that advertising revenue. It's a professional, transparent way to earn. If you're looking for a platform that feels like a real job without the 9-to-5 stress, this is it. Fourth is Swagbucks. You've probably heard the name, but did you know they have a dedicated watch section? You can earn SB points by watching entertaining playlists. These points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards. It's the most passive of the bunch because you can often let playlists run while you're doing other tasks. Finally, we have microworkers. This is where the business aspect gets real. Microworkers offers small jobs. Sometimes a YouTuber needs a certain amount of watch time or engagement to rank their video. They will pay you to watch their video and perhaps leave a thoughtful comment. These tasks often pay more per minute than the other sites, making it a high-value addition to your daily routine. Now, let's talk about the future. Watching videos is your level 1 business. It generates the initial profit you need to reinvest, but to achieve true wealth, you need multiple streams of income. Here is your plan for level 2, the affiliate content business. The strategy: use the money you earn from these 5 sites to buy a basic microphone or a better camera. The action: start your own YouTube channel or blog. What do you talk about? You review the very apps you just used. The profit: every time someone signs up for Swagbucks or Earnably using your referral link, you get a commission. Now, you're not just watching videos for money, you're getting paid because other people are watching videos. The result: this creates a flywheel effect. You have the cash from the apps, referral income from your links, and eventually, AdSense revenue from your own channel. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is action. You now have the names of the platforms and a plan to scale. Don't let this be just another video you watch today. Make it the video that changed your bank account. If you found this informative, show some love by hitting the like button. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to join our community of earners. Comment below with the word action if you're starting today. I'm Make Money Mission, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Always check the description area of this video for any help we may offer. May God bless you.